Hi students, welcome back to the channel. So this lecture is all about HTML Marquee tag part 2. As in the part 1, we have already discussed Marquee tag basic introduction, its syntax, types and some attributes that we can use with HTML Marquee tag. So this lecture is very important. We are going to discuss all the attributes of Marquee tag practically in this lecture. So in HTML lecture series, this is our lecture number 13. अगर आपने previous lectures miss कर दिए हैं, so you can check the description box. I am adding every link here. So let's move to the introduction part. As we have discussed in previous lecture, that HTML Marquee tag is just used to scroll a piece of text. In my web page, if I want to scroll a piece of text or if I want to scroll some important information or any image, you always use Marquee tag. Okay, so this is how we write Marquee tag in Notepad or in Notepad++. So this is the basic syntax of Marquee tag, and here we have the attributes. So total we have 10 attributes in case of Marquee tag, and in previous lecture we have discussed everything theoretically, and width, height and loop BG color, we have discussed these three tags only practically. So now we will start with the direction tag. So let me just open the output in my screen. So this is our previous lecture's output where we have already used the width of Marquee tag, height of Marquee tag and BG color. As you can see, we are using here green and here red. So this is how we can use height, width and BG color. Now we'll start with the direction. So direction specify the direction of the Marquee, direction of the text. This can be value like up, down, left and right. By default it is left, so there is no need to write left every time. Okay, so we can use only up, down and right. So let's begin with the right attribute. Okay, so here direction is equals to right. I'm writing here right. Just save this. This is our previous output. Just refresh and you can see the difference. Right. Okay. Now next we have is, if I'm using, let's say right here and up in case of this. Save, direction up, save and refresh. So इस तरह से काम करता है right, up. Okay. Now in third statement I'm using down. So let's say Marquee direction is equals to down. Save and refresh. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमने इसको हाइट नहीं दी है, दैट्स वाई ये सिर्फ इतने से एरिया में रन हो रहा है. इफ आई गिव इट अ हाइट एट्रीब्यूट that is equals to, just add it 200, save and refresh, or we can say it as 20%, save and refresh. So you can see the difference here. Okay, so here we have 20% of the screen is covered by this particular statement, that is I am professional coder. Okay, now we will move to the next attribute, that is behavior. So it specifies the type of scrolling of Marquee. So we can use three statements here. First is slide, second is scroll and third is alternate. So we'll start with slide first. Okay, here I am writing behavior. Generally behavior की spelling होती है BEHAVIOUR. But as I have told you earlier that in case of HTML or in any programming language, we don't use U term. Okay, so behavior is equals to slide. Save and run this program. So you can see the difference. ये पहले क्या हो रहा था, अभी देखो I'm just removing it so that you can see the difference. Save and refresh. सो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, अभी ये वाला जो है ग्रीन सेक्शन यू कैन सी स्लाइड होके वो वापस नीचे से आ रहा है, बट when we use behavior is equals to slide, so you can see the difference. It will stop here at the top. Okay, suppose I am writing here also that our behavior is equals to, I am using slide again. Save. So check this red wala section. Okay, so it will stop here just like this. Okay, so this is how slide actually works. Another we have is alternative. By default it is scroll, so there is no need to write it separately. Okay, so when we use alternative, so ये भी इस तरह से यहाँ पे रुक जाता है, right? So this is how behavior attribute works with HTML Marquee tag. Now we will start with scroll delay. So scroll delay specifies how long to delay between each jump. Okay, so as you can see here, यहाँ पे ये बिल्कुल भी आई एम प्रोफेशनल कोडर की अगर हम बात करें तो ये बिल्कुल भी यहाँ पे स्टॉप नहीं कर रहा, ये कॉन्टिन्यूसली एक एक सेकेंड में आ रहा है. सो इफ वी यूज स्क्रॉल डिले हेयर, तो ये क्या करेगा, इसको थोड़ा सा पॉज दे देगा. आफ्टर एवरी स्लाइड इट विल गिव इट अ पॉज. ओके, so let me just first give it a BG color so that you can understand everything easily. Blue. Just save this. Okay, now I'm adding here scroll delay. Scroll delay is equals to, let's say, 5. Save and refresh. Okay, let me just check the spelling. Or scroll delay 50 is equals to, so you can see the difference here. This is how scroll delay actually works. So this specifies how long to delay between each jump. Next we have a scroll amount. So scroll amount always specifies the speed of Marquee text. So you can see its speed here. So यहाँ पे आप जैसे कि इसकी स्पीड देख सकते हो कितनी ज्यादा स्पीड में ये आई लव HTML रन हो रहा है. इफ आई वांट टू इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज इट्स स्पीड, सो आई एम यूजिंग हियर स्क्रॉल अमाउंट. Scroll amount is equals to, let's say, 100. Just refresh. So you can see the difference here. This is running so fast because I have given here scroll amount 100. ठीक है, अब मैंने दे दिया 1. So this is how it will run. Okay, so इस तरह से scroll amount and scroll delay जो है वो काम करते हैं. इसको मैं अगर 50 दे दूं, so you can see this is how scroll amount and scroll delay actually runs on any browser. Next is loop. Loop is also very important. Loop means it specifies how many times you want to run this particular statement. By default it is infinite we can say, कि ये कभी भी रुकता नहीं है जब तक हम इसको पॉज नहीं करेंगे. You can see I love HTML is running so fast without any break. So if I want it to get stopped after 3 runs, so I can use here loop. Loop is equals to 5, save and refresh. So 1 round, 2nd round, this is 3rd, this is 4th and this is 5th round. तो उसके बाद ये रुक गया. इसके बाद ये आएगा ही नहीं जब तक मैं इसको रिफ्रेश ना करूं. 1 2 3 4 5 लास्ट, इसके बाद ये नहीं आएगा. ओके, सो इस तरह से काम करता है हमारे पास लूप. सो इसको आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो, 10 20 30 50 अनलिमिटेड कोई भी नंबर आप इसमें दे सकते हो. And last statement here we have is H space. So H space and V space. Okay, H space means horizontal space. So if I want to give horizontal space around the marquee, so we can use this. Similarly, जैसे हमने परसेंटेज के साथ काम किया था या पिक्सल्स के साथ काम किया था, similarly we can use values in H space and V space. Okay, so I'm just adding it here. h space is equals to 20, ठीक है, refresh. So this is h space, horizontal space. So main wall से लेकर के इसने space वो कर दिया, ठीक है. If I write it here as 50, so you can see the difference here, 50. Okay, so what is h space and v space? Now I'm using v space with this. V space is equals to, let's say, 50 again. Save and refresh. So this is how v space works. इसने क्या किया, ये जो मार्क्यू वाला सेक्शन था, इसके टॉप, बॉटम, लेफ्ट एंड राइट हर साइड पे इसने 50 मार्जिन दे दिया. V space, vertical space, H space means horizontal space. So all these are the 10 attributes of HTML Marquee tag. All these attributes are very, very important and most widely used attributes in complete HTML program. Okay. So in the next video, I will tell you that how you can run or how you can scroll any size of image by using Marquee tag. So in next lecture, we will discuss Marquee with image tag. Okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for